Hey guys, welcome back. I am playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches today, and we are on day 17. And the sketch, it's a 2-pager, but I will be using it as a 1-pager. So here is the sketch. Really enjoy it already looking at it, and think about it like to here. So I'm only going to be using one photo, and my photo is about 4x4. But I will incorporate this really strong kind of rectangle here. There's a little something coming out here, a circular element, title up here, and circle bits. I don't know if mine will be all circular. I got to see what is in my kit that I'm going to use. But very awesome. I will be playing along with that. Now, let me show you what I have. I'm using a kit from the ScrapRoom. It is from August 2021, and it is a Doodlebug Cute and Crafty kit. So I have used it before. Super fun, cute collection. I mean, it's all about crafting and all of that. I'm going to be doing a non-crafty layout, though. So I've got a good-sized scrap of this cute as a button with a nice plaid. I've got a little bit of the cut apart sheet, but nothing that makes great sense. Well, maybe this deep pink one I can use, and I love that little camera, so that would be cute. I've got this floral here that's called Precious Posies with a bunch of cut aparts. The You Sprinkle My Life with Happiness might actually work for what I have. This awesome piece that looks like a notebook paper, Bright Ideas, with a bunch of rainbow pencils. And then finally, Colorful Canvas, which is a tone-on-tone, very nice lime green, and Splatty Bits. I do love me a Splatty Bit. And then I have 2 pieces of Desert Marigold Basil cardstock. So I have that. Then I've got a set of sprinkles, only partially used. A really great doily, which can be that circular bit by my photo. And then if you look right here, I've got all of these cute die cuts as well. Now, let's see what else. And I don't want to like keep saying the same thing, but I've got a little bin of leftovers from previous kits. And I'm also playing along with a fun bin here that I call my Lucky 7. So 7 different categories of things to try to use. So I have all of that. Great. So what I need to do, I have to trim up my photo and mat it, you know, however many times I want. I've got to pick my background paper, and I'm going to use this, I think. Oh, by the way, this is my daughter and one of her best friends, and they are cute, cute, cute when they are together. So I thought that would be really fun. And they're both, you know, blondes, but there's not like all this color, so I can bring in color without having to turn it black and white or anything like that. So anyhow, I have this, which I really like. Now, I also have these Splatty Bits, which I straight up adore. So if I want to do the Splatty Bits, let's see. I don't need the lime green per se. I'm trying to see which would be the best way, because love that. I could bring in some of the lime green for those heavy lines along the side of that rectangle bit and have this in the center and maybe scallop punch those heavy lines with my handy dandy scallop punch. Okay, I think I'm going to do that. And I definitely am bringing in my cute little doily. I'm going to get these pieces going and I'll be back in a minute. So I have my background put down, meaning this floral and this great stripe. That's all that's put down. I matted my photo just a couple times. I feel like maybe I should mat it one more time, and the color that I have available to mat it with for one more time would be the green. So I think I should do that, because this white that I'm using that has the Splatty Bits, it's just kind of getting lost. And I'm like, that's not really working for me. So let's just go. I tend to like to go in different directions when I can. So I'm going to do just one more nice little frame with this limey green. I have the floral bit that can go up here. I've got, instead of the big half circle that we had in the sketch, I have this good piece and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so let me jump back in. I went ahead and just got some foam on the back of this piece. Now I still have to get my title up here somewhere, so I'm not sticking stuff down yet. Now our sketch had a circle going around the entire photo. I have my doily, it's fine. We know it's a circle, that will work. Now the circle that was on the bottom is cut kind of in half, and it also is touching this piece. I'm actually doing opposite day. So it's actually over here, but I'm going over here. Now I don't want it to touch the green because I think it's just going to get eaten up. So I will go ahead and get this piece down for now, making sure to leave a little bit of that floral behind it. All right, and then the rest of it, this right here would have a couple of 4x6s, and we're not doing that. So let's see, I've got this adorable camera. I've got this cute little floral. I'm trying to see what I have from this kit that works with this. And after that, handmade, not so much. Oh crap, while adorable, does not work. Although I could get like a cute little floral. Nope, that one's not gonna work. A floral something, something. Come on. Right on top of it. That might work. I just have to strategically cover the black and that will go on. So let me see, is the pink, yeah, the pink's too big. So I think I'll do that, but I want to pop it up just a little bit because it'll be more interesting. I have a piece of Frankenstein foam over here, so we'll do that. And at this point, I'm gonna be just going, like I said, through my little kit, seeing what will work. Not all of it will work because this is a, well, actually, it kind of goes for almost every layout. Not everything will work on my stuff, right? Not going to worry about it terribly much because I can use it on the next layout. Okay, so I like this here, like this floral bit here. I probably pop the camera up a little bit for some shadow. Thinking of having this little guy come off here, kind of a visual triangle, kind of not. Oh, I don't have that down yet, fully attached, and I didn't want to fully attach it till I come up with my title. Okay, now I do love this piece that reads "You Color My World," and I'm going to pop that up on a foam strip. That might be my title if I don't have an acrylic or something that will work better. We will see. Give me a moment on that. Yeah, just working through the process. And remember, I have all of these great sprinkles I can do the thing with. So right now, we're going to call that our title. We'll see if it sticks. Okay, so this adorable little like doodle pops, that doesn't work, but I just thought I should show you how cute. So I have that. This little thing of twine we're going to set aside to use later. Can still use that on another layout. And then all of these bits can get worked in for sure. So that's super cute. Let's go in to my handy dandy Lucky 7 little bin and see, let's see, Explore and Escape do not work. Just thought I'd see what I had in acrylic land. These from Some Assemblage Require, which are amazing, aren't quite the tone we're looking for. And then these, oh, Adore You is kind of cute, but I don't think it's going to show up right here. Happy Place, I don't even know where they are, and Road Trip. So those won't work, but I bet some of these cute little bits here will. So I'm going to leave my little iris container open on my desk. Great. With these little Who's It, What's It showing. Now what I do have is my mini alphas. So let's see. Oh, I used this orange for the mini alpha last time, and I'm wondering if it wouldn't make sense to do it again because it's, you know, kind of perfect. So let's see. Otherwise, this is a little subdued. My leatherette stickers, which are awesome, are a little subdued, flat, yada, yada, yada. Okay, I'm going to try to come up with a title from them. Probably will be able to. And then what else is in here? I've got these Amy Tan stickers. I'm seeing, so some of the colors work and some just are not quite there. So new. And then what do these have? These have these cameras in here. Oh, yeah, we have our big camera on the bottom. Okay. This is just one of those process things I like working through. So I have these cute little bows and flowers, and those are kind of a pretty vibe. Does not work. I do have these Heidi Swap little, ooh, if I used these black and white ones, that would bring in the black for the camera. So I'm gonna hunt for them. Okay, I'm gonna keep working. I'll be right back. All right, so I've got my bits and bobs down. Everything is attached. I went with the title Besties. And that one Doodle Pop die cut, I was able to stick under this bit of the word, and it works. Now, my concern is on camera that doesn't show up well, this Besties word, but in real life, it really does. And the orange is a great color match, so there's that. So I've got these little bits. I do have these great florals right here to bring in still. I've got, oh, I couldn't use the black and white photo corners that I wanted to use because I could only find 3. Bit of a bummer, but we shall carry on, of course. And I also have these trinket stickers. So I can have a nice mess of florals kind of going like this. Now, the sketch didn't really have them going like that, but the sketch was my inspiration, and now I can go ahead and pop a bunch of things on, and I'll come back with you. I'm going to get, you know, the flowers, just pop, 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 pop. And then I'll come back and we will pop on some sprinkles and call this layout done. So to finish this off, I'm just going to pop on a couple of sprinkles. I went ahead and used some Bella Boulevard Trinket Puffy stickers in this great, what is it called? Ice and Golf set. And then I also used the orangey one, which is called Orange. Very clever. So I have that. Super cute, super fun. Ooh, I also want to see if I have any Scrap and Happy Studio Flair, which I should have already done. So I'll pop these on with you and I'll see if we have any flair, and then we'll go from there. So I've got these great little clusters that, you know, for the most part are done. So I've got a little bit of this color, but it actually goes a little bit more greeny here. So it's not quite as saturated. How about I bring in just a little bit of this yellowy tone? I think that might be fun. So I can have it there. I'll pop it right here. These massive ones, I tend to like to, you know, just shrink down a tiny bit. I think they're more fun. There we go. And is there a spot? I have the big one. I can do this. And even the small one has a nice little punch. So that will be that. I will have still shots in a moment. And hopefully I can find some of my flair that match. I think that would be really cute too. But look at how cute. So cute. So using this fabulous crafty, what is it called? Cute and Crafty product line, just to show some adorable best friends hanging out. Okay, I will have links down below for the other people who are playing along with this series. Bye for now, friends.